everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be transforming ourselves into one of the characters from the Disney movie Moana. I'm going to be doing my own rendition of Te Fiti / Te Ka from the movie. It's a very split down the middle type look. I've seen a lot of artists do this kind of look before and I really wanted to do my own rendition of it. So without further ado, let's get into it. This look I'm going in with Mayron's light green body paint and just on a 1-inch brush. And I'm just going to be painting half of my face green. Going in with Mayron's color blend stick in green, I'm just going to contour this side of my face, which is the jawline, the cheek, the chin, the everything. To blend the cream paint in, I'm going in with this Real Techniques setting brush, and we're just going to blend it in with little circular motions. Now I'm going to go in with the white color blend stick, and I'm just going to highlight my face and blend that out as I normally do. Now I'm just going to blend that out once again using the same blending brush I used before. To blend the cream in, I am just using small patting motions rather than circular motions, just because I don't want to move the product around too much. I really just want to blend it out and disperse it. To deepen up that contour, I'm going to go in with a darker green eyeshadow. Just again, buffing that in and deepening all that contour that we had placed beforehand. I'm also going to take a little bit of black eyeshadow and again just blend that on top of the green. For my eyebrows, I'm going to mix together dark green body paint and black body paint and just give my eyebrows some shape and some depth to it. Taking my Milk Jumbo eye pencil, I'm going in and I'm just going to color my eyelid a little bit to brighten it up. And I'm just going to pat it out with my finger. Now taking a lime green eyeshadow, I'm just going to pat that all over my lid. Taking that dark green eyeshadow again, I'm just going to buff that into my crease and blend it out. I'm also going to use a white eyeshadow and I'm just going to pop that in the inner corner of my eye. I'm also going to use my milk pencil. I'm just going to put that into my waterline as well. I'm also going to take the Danessa Myricks Colored Fix foils in the shade Milky Way, and I'm just going to pop this onto the inner corner of my eyelid. Now using eyeliner, I'm just going to create a simple black wing. Going in with a green body paint, I'm just going to dot some freckles onto my cheeks and blend them out with my finger. As a sticky base, I'm just going in with some medical adhesive Prose Aid, and I'm just kind of covering the area where I'm going to just create like this little cluster of spikes. While I use body paint most of the time, I try to stick to using paper to create my 3D elements, but I really like the look of this texture because it's supposed to be like molten lava rock. So I really wanted to just stick with doing this. You can't get that kind of texture with paper, unfortunately. So we're just gonna continue working with this. And I'm just gonna seal it, I guess. Taking some gray body paint, I'm going to start creating the lava rocks on this side of my face while this section is drying still. So I'm just gonna take this and just kind of make like little circles, but like little blobs. They're not circles, they're blobs, because lava rocks are not completely round. I'm just going to continue painting those lava rocks all throughout the rest of my body. And honestly, I should have painted the orange first and then laid this on top. Would have made it life a whole lot easier, but I like to take the most difficult road when I body paint, apparently. Now going in with some light orange body paint, I'm just going to start painting away all the orange sections on my face. With a darker orange shade, and I'm just going to kind of outline all the horn areas and just add a little bit more depth. Just going to add more rocks along where the horns are all kind of sprouting out from. I'm just going in with some more black body paint and just adding some more details to the horn area, kind of making it look charred a little bit. Now I'm just going to go in with some regular orange body paint and I'm just going to fill in the lines all around the lava rock. I'm now going to take my white body paint on a stipple sponge and I'm just gonna kind of stipple on some texture to the rocks just to give it a little bit more depth to it, and then we'll go in and shade everything. Now taking some red eyeshadow, I'm going to go in and just add little blobs of color throughout my look to break up the orange a little bit and to make it look like the lava is moving through the skin. Next, I'm going to go in with a yellow body paint and I'm just going to start highlighting areas throughout the orange lava, again just to give it a little bit more depth and really make it pop. Go in with white body paint again and just add little stark highlights onto all of the rocks on my body. Now going in with that black eyeshadow once again, I'm just going to kind of shade around the edge between the fireside and then the green side, just so it looks like it's charred a little bit as well. Off camera, I shaded with some black body paint and some black eyeshadow just along the edge, separating the green and the red side. But now I'm just going to pop in my contacts, my lashes, and put on my wig, and I will be right back with the final look. And here's the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me transform into this Tahiti Taka inspired look from Moana. I thoroughly enjoyed painting this and I love how it turned out. And I added some cute flowers into my hair for fun. And that's pretty much it. Please follow me on TikTok and Instagram, both at fx_freak. And subscribe to my YouTube channel here at fxfreak. That would be awesome. If you like this video, please give it a like and leave me a comment what you want to see next. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!